In this video, I'll reveal to you how to make your current life your dream life. Before we dive into this topic, I want to acknowledge that today is a special day. As today, we have a special quest in this video. Say welcome to Basil. Today, Basil is our special quest in this video. So lovely to have you, darling, with us. If you want to say welcome to Basil, hit that like button. What determines how you experience your current life? Anyone? Anyone? Yeah, exactly. It's not the physical things. It's not the material things in your 3D reality. It's not the 3D reality that determines how you experience your life, but it's your mind, the thoughts that are running in your mind, and how you feel in your body. It's a combination of those two. And how you feel in your body. So whether your life feels like a dream or not is determined by the dear mind, the thoughts running in your mind. Let's take a couple of examples. Here is the 3D reality. Your current life. This is my beautiful drawing. If you love my drawing, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, so this is your current life and how you experience your life. If your lower self's mind is active. Oh, let's see. Okay. So when your lower mind is active, it points out all the things that are not aligned with your dreams in your current reality. It tells everything that is negative in your current reality. It tells you it doesn't like this, nor this, and why this is wrong. It tells all the negative perspectives about the things in your life. It doesn't see things positively, as you can see. And how do you feel when the lower self's mind is active? Oh no. Can you see it? Yeah, that's how you feel. When you, as your lower self, focus on all the things that are negative in your current life. No matter how dreamlike this 3D reality would be. No matter how amazing it would be. When the lower self's mind is active, life doesn't feel like a dream. Okay. Let's take another example. This is your current life. And now you are your highest self. Let's see how you experience your life. Your highest self's mind active. Oh, your highest self sees all the positive things in this reality. Oh, it appreciates everything. It sees the positive perspectives in everything. It truly loves your current life as it is. Everything in it, it sees super positively. And how do you feel as you're living your current life as your highest self? Well, oh yeah, can you see? Oh, you seem to be so happy, darling. Now your life, actually, it feels like a dream. Your life feels like a dream. When you think about everything positively, when you see the positive perspectives, when your dream mind is active, your highest self's dream mind, that sees the good in everything. It makes your life feel like a dream. Even if this reality, the 3D reality you're currently living in, is not fully in alignment with your soul's dreams. Even in that case, your current reality feels like a dream when you are thinking as your highest self. Dream comes to your current experience through your inner state. When your mind and your body's state are aligned with your dreams, when you think like your highest self and therefore also feel amazingly good, when you feel a dream like, thanks to your positive thoughts, your life feels like a dream. It makes your current life be your dream life. Dream life is truly an inner game. It becomes your reality from the inside out. And now, all this said, I invite you lovingly to observe in your day-to-day life whether your lower self's mind is active. And in that case, intentionally shifting your thoughts to be your highest self's thoughts, to take the positive perspectives about anything in your current life, and to notice your body state transform thanks to your positive, dream-like thoughts. Basil, do you accept my invitation?
Yes, of course. Yay, yay, yay.
Oh, how lovely. Basil is on board. If you as well accept my invitation, my loving invitation, drop in the comments. Invitation accepted. You are soul truly loved.